Okay, now I'm going to blow this tower down. That's made out of Smarties. Friends, you might have thought this is my experiment, but this is not my experiment. My original experiment is the Smarties. These ones in a plate with water. Here's water here. Now, get the Smarties. Oh, but you just need different color candy. We choose Smarties. We don't have any other different color candy. Okay, let's put one there. Oh, and I'm gonna dump it all and put it. It has to be something like this, and it has to go all around the plate until the Smarties go all the round up to here. I mean, not the round, around. Oh, not that one. This one. And that one. I need more. Packet was not enough, so I'm going to take another packet. There's a line there. You press that line and you just did with your finger in. Pull the cardboard and you get it open. I'm going to find it. Oh, I haven't used pink. There we go. And put a space in between so we can see it. Still not enough. It's good. Let's just keep spacing them. There's another one. Let's pull it down right there. Turn it off. It's okay. Okay, never mind. Let's pour the water. You don't really have to actually. Whoa! I didn't actually know that was a lot. Oh. Okay, kids, let's pour some water. But before, you have to be very careful on flour. You don't need too much. The water already started to fade. Why I say the matter? It already started. See? The water. Cool. And you're not supposed to move the while the plate is on. The purple one over there didn't start yet. Going into the middle. just like this.
See a rainbow.
Yeah, I can see it. I like the yellow one, but I only have one yellow. I fill the plate with only 2 packets. That's crazy. Only 2 packets. I'll get back to this one. Wow, cool. Rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow arbor. The colors coming together into the middle like a rainbow. And the Smarties are starting to get white because the water is taking the color away. Yeah. Cool. Back to this one. Now wait, see? It's very close. All the colors are fighting together. Ooh, da, 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 da. The purple is kind of whitish, kind of. I know you can really see the purple. It's okay. Well, you can see a little bit. Because it's COVID-19 and winter in Canada, I cannot go and play outside. And you totally have to do stuff like this if it's winter and COVID-19 where you are. You have to do stuff like this. That's why the shape like it's like that is because when the water shakes, the water particles shake, the color, the color that the water took, it changes to a different direction. That's how I got like, wow. We'll get back to this one. Okay, we got some this soap here. Okay, I'll put my finger in and put it right in the middle. Woohoo! Whoa! The color is disappearing, but the color from the Smarties are going cool because of my finger action. So the Smarties color goes cool. So next I'm going to pour some blue color carefully to see what's going to happen, and my favorite color is blue. I said another one. Wow. Ooh. The blue color is coming with the whoa. It's full with candy under. Talamala, 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 talamala. See under all of them? What's happening under all of them? This is what was happening under all of these Smarties. See? This is what's going to happen with the other sides. Okay, let's put some more of this soap and water. Blue water. I'm not going to be careful this time. Okay, there's more of this soap. And this soap. This soap is cool. This soap. This soap is cool. Cool fool. Cool. Cool. So cool. I can't even understand which side that it was on earlier when we put it. I can't remember now because they're all brown and white. They all look brown and white. I can't tell which one is the blue one, yellow, pink. I can't tell though. There's so many brown ones. Candies got brown because of the chocolate. There's actually chocolate in these candies that make the candy yummy. Friends, it was very fun playing with these Smarties in a plate with water. Thank you for watching my channel and videos. Friends, please don't forget to press the bell button. If you press the bell button, you'll get notifications right away when I post a new video. See you soon with another video. Bye. Smarty bye. Water bye. I forgot.